Hey, hi! Welcome in this benchmark overview on Panoramata. On Panoramata, you already know that you can track all your competitors' digital marketing strategy on a single place. Basically, dashboard is here to let you know what your competitors have been up recently. Benchmarks are different. Benchmarks are here to help you compare and analyze any group of brand marketing strategy in any period of time. So let's see together how it works. First thing is you need to create your benchmark. It's pretty easy. The cool thing is you can decide if you want your benchmark to be shared only with you, with everyone within your account, or if you want people who doesn't even have a Panoramata account to be able to access it as well. Plus, you can define a few tracked words. We're going to talk about this a bit later. Today, I want to show you how it could work for a coffee brands benchmark that I've created with 7 brands. Here, on the first Compare and Statistics tab, you get access to all the metrics of this brand within the period you've selected. Email marketing stats, advertising stats as well, SEO and trends as well. Cool thing is you can access much more data on those brands as well. Graph analysis is a bit different. It will give you all statistics to easily compare those brands over time on, again, any period of time. Calendar and content will analyze a bit more the content these brands have been publishing, help you compare which one have been the most active over time, and give you a calendar overview of the main things that they've done, July 4th. Search, email, and search ads are pretty useful. Here, for instance, you could look for any ad published by one of those brands. Let's try summer, for instance, and let's look which ads published by any of the brands that you've selected contain the keyword summer. All right, interesting. And at the same time, you can use filter. Say, okay, I only want to have a look at the videos in each country, for each industry, in each language. You can use the criteria that you want, and it works pretty much the same way for the emails as well. At the same time, track keyword will give you stats on specific keywords that you can define to let you know which brands have mentioned this keyword, where, and when. That's all for the new benchmark overview. If you have any question, you know we're here to help. Have an amazing day, and wherever you are in the world, take care. Bye-bye.